Hello, welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of modern wall decor ideas for the living room, where blank walls transform into dynamic canvases of style and expression. Let's begin our design journey with the allure of oversized art pieces. Large-scale artwork has the power to command attention and set the tone for your living space. Imagine a statement painting or a gallery-style arrangement of oversized prints, instantly infusing your room with a sense of modern sophistication. Now, let's talk about the magic of geometric wall designs. From intricate wall decals to three-dimensional geometric panels, these modern creations add depth and visual interest. Whether you opt for bold, contrasting shapes or subtle, monochromatic patterns, geometric wall decor serves as a contemporary focal point that elevates your living room's aesthetic. Next up, let's explore the timeless charm of gallery walls. Mix and match framed artworks, photographs, and perhaps a few decorative elements to create a curated display that tells your unique story. Gallery walls provide endless possibilities for personalization, making them a favorite in modern interior design. Now, let's talk about the trend of textured accent walls. Consider materials like reclaimed wood, textured wallpaper, or even 3D wall panels to add depth and tactile appeal. These textured surfaces create a dynamic backdrop, transforming your living room into a sensory-rich environment that engages both sight and touch. For those who crave a touch of nature, botanical wall decor might be the answer. Think about incorporating plant-inspired artworks, botanical prints, or even vertical gardens to bring the outdoors inside. This not only adds a breath of fresh air, but also aligns with the modern trend of incorporating nature into interior design. Now, let's discuss the impact of mirrors. Modern mirror designs, whether framed or uniquely shaped, have the ability to amplify natural light and create the illusion of more space. Consider a statement mirror as a centerpiece or an arrangement of smaller mirrors for a contemporary and reflective wall display. As we explore these modern wall decor ideas, remember that layering different elements creates a visually rich and balanced space. Mix and match textures, colors, and styles to achieve a curated look that resonates with your personal taste. So, whether you're captivated by oversized art pieces, geometric designs, functional shelving, gallery walls, textured accent walls, botanical decor, or the reflective allure of mirrors, there's a modern wall decor idea waiting to transform your living room. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's embark on a journey to redefine your living room walls into a canvas of contemporary expression. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy decorating. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.